Have you ever wished you could control reality, even just in a completely safe space? Imagine flying through the sky, creating entire worlds, or talking to anyone you want. This incredible power isn't science fiction. It's called lucid dreaming. It is a state where you become fully aware that you're redreaming and can take control of everything that happens. This isn't just a surreal experience. It's a powerful tool for solving problems, practicing skills, and even conquering your fears. So, how do you do it? Today, we're diving deep into the science and the 3 core steps to unlock your ability to lucid dream. To start lucid dreaming, we first need to understand where dreams even come from. Our sleep is made up of cycles, and the most important stage for dreaming is called REM, which stands for rapid eye movement. During REM sleep, our brain activity skyrockets, and this is when our most vivid, memorable dreams occur. The entire goal of lucid dreaming practice is to sneak your waking consciousness into this REM stage. Think of it like your mind waking up inside the dream, allowing you to seize control and become the director of your own movie. Now, let's get into the practical side. Achieving a lucid dream takes patience and consistency, but the methods are surprisingly simple. Here are the 3 scientifically proven techniques you need to practice. First up is step 1. Keep a dream diary. This is non-negotiable. Put a notebook and a pen right next to your bed. The moment you wake up, before you even think about moving or grabbing your phone, write down every single detail you can remember from your dream. It doesn't matter how fragmented or strange it seems. Write down the colors, the feelings, the people, the places, everything. Why is this so important? It does 2 things. First, it trains your brain to remember your dreams better. Most of us forget our dreams within minutes of waking up, but this practice strengthens the recall muscle. More importantly, it helps your brain identify what we call dream signs. These are recurring themes, objects, or strange occurrences that only happen in your dreams. Maybe technology never works right, or you always see a specific person in an odd location. By recognizing these patterns while you're awake, you're training your mind to spot them while you're asleep. And that recognition is the trigger. The moment your brain goes, wait a minute, this is a dream. Next to step 2, perform frequent reality checks. This might sound a little silly at first, but it's one of the most effective techniques out there. Throughout your day, maybe 5 to 10 times, just stop what you're doing and genuinely ask yourself, am I dreaming right now? But don't just ask the question, test your reality. A classic reality check is to try to push the fingers of one hand through the palm of your other hand. In waking life, obviously, your palm will stop your fingers. Another great check is to look at a clock or a piece of text. Look away for a second, and then look back. In the real world, the time or the text will be the same. The purpose here is to build a powerful habit. By doing this repeatedly while you're awake, you make it an automatic action. Eventually, you'll perform this same check inside a dream. And in a dream, things are different. Your finger will likely pass right through your palm. The numbers on the clock will shift and warp into nonsense. The text will change every time you look at it. The moment that happens, you've done it. You've become aware, and you're officially in a lucid dream. The key is consistency. Make it a reflex. Finally, we have step 3, a powerful technique known as WBTB. This one requires a bit of planning, but has a very high success rate. Here is how it works. You need to set an alarm for about 5 or 6 hours after you go to sleep. This timing is crucial because it is designed to wake you up right before your longest and deepest REM cycle of the night. When the alarm goes off, get out of bed and stay awake for about 30 to 60 minutes. During this time, you want to do something that engages your mind but isn't too stimulating. Read about lucid dreaming, review your dream journal, or just sit quietly and focus on your intention. Tell yourself, the next time I am dreaming, I will realize I am dreaming. Really meditate on that thought. After that short period of wakefulness, go back to bed. As you're falling back asleep, keep repeating that intention in your mind. This technique is so effective because you're tricking your body. Your body is still tired and ready to fall back asleep quickly, but your mind is now awake, alert, and laser-focused on one goal: becoming lucid. This sends you directly into the REM stage with a conscious awareness, dramatically increasing your chances of having a lucid dream that very night. So there you have it. Lucid dreaming isn't some mystical gift. It's a skill that anyone can learn. By patiently and consistently applying these 3 steps, keeping a dream diary, performing reality checks, and using the wake-back-to-bed technique, you can unlock the door to your own subconscious. Once you master it, it's more than just a fun adventure. It can be a powerful psychological tool to reduce stress and anxiety, boost your creativity, and explore the deepest parts of your own mind. You can practice public speaking, confront a nightmare and ask it what it represents, or simply enjoy the freedom of creating anything you can imagine. Your dream world is waiting. Start your journey tonight. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to follow for more guides to mastering your mind.